engine.
What?
I didn't get the engine.
I know.
Darn it. That's alright. Where's it going?
Well, you can run with me in the morning if we get up early enough.
That might be, yeah, that's the engine too.
No.
Uh-huh.
That way the engine.
Yep.
See this shit though? Like what? Really? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to do that.
Yeah.
Put them park and the daytime running lights go out.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Tail lights on?
Yeah.
Probably.
You think it just got here?
I'll turn it
Yeah.
back on the running lights at least. What?
You think?
Yeah, it hasn't been here long.
Yeah, was the engine here when we...
I don't know when he got here, Gabe. Really?
Aw. Darn it.
Had to have just missed it.
Yeah.
He was right at the road.
Yeah, that's why he was hesitant to come over to the...
Cool. Is that the horn?
No. These nighttime ones suck too. That's some gay redneck Cadillac. Oh, bitch, no, I shouldn't talk about it. That's silly. Why'd you put that in your window?
Oh man. Cool. Yeah, I think I did see the engine. I caught it on camera. Yeah.
You caught it on camera? I don't think so.
Is that the horn or no? Jack? You think it just got here when we were pulling off?
Yeah, it was real close.
Alright. A long one.
It's going pretty slow too though, so it makes it seem a lot longer.
Maybe next time I'll see the engine, but I could...
What's that?
Is that the end?
Showing his goddamn truck off?
Good, right?
Yep.
Oh, you got the bright lights on there.
Cool.
Thought they were blinding somebody.
Yes, I do. Alright, it's happening now.